Hey guys, I'm in the middle of a restoration for my 77. It's getting a whole new paint job and engine service, because it's here. Listen, let me get you a certain spot so you can find it. There we go. There we go. See if you can find it. There you go. The bottom is the piston. The connection rod to the crankshaft is loose because it overheated slightly over time. So I want to get in there and retorque that down. Anyways, in order for me to test compression after I'm done, because I'm going to have to pull the pan off and everything. Forgive me, it's windy as brick down here. In order for me to do that, I have to restore my compression tester, which is in pretty rough shape. And that's the video today. Right. Give me a hot second while I get downstairs. Alright, now I'm down here. Alright, so the plastic's all scratched. I'm going to use cloth and toothpaste on that. And I'm going to polish this up too, the chrome. I'm going to polish the chrome up. I'm going to get this paint wire wheeled off, and I'm also going to have the back part there wire wheeled. The brass on the bottom I'm going to wire wheel. It's all going to be done in the garage. Which that is a Bakelite. Thin Bakelite. I plan to just clean it, like just wipe it. Right. Oh, shout out to my mother. She watches my videos there. Hey, Mom. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take the whole thing apart. Right, let's see if I can get you in shot, because I'm gonna need both hands. Move some stuff over here. There we go. Alright. It's a little bright on the eyeballs, but I can surely use that. Okay. Oh, where's my screwdriver? Here's my flat. There's my Phillips back there. Alright. Phillips. Alright. Phillips head. Alright. Oh. Yeah. First thing of orders. Pop this off. Put that behind you. Even then, I still won't be able to use it because I need an end for it. And take this off. This pops off. There we go. See how unclear that is? Right. Sorry, my ears itching. Right, put that off to the side. And over here. Clamp this down, and the way she unscrews herself. Right. See if the other one will cooperate. Oh yeah. Right, that's good. By the way, I got this at the garage sale. Right, it's all copper and metal too. See? That's nice. It's hard to, you can see how it all works. What goes on is pressure builds. This coil's inside. This is hollow inside, and it pushes down, which pushes the connecting rod down through here to a gear to a hairspring. Hairsprings like those are usually found in mechanical clocks. Something like this hunk right here, and it would be in a similar system to like a clock spring. In technicality, it is a clock spring. the there's a little shaft that's in there. It rides through and it pushes down. What that does is it moves the gears on the shaft in the middle, which goes straight through and it shoots up. If you were to suck on this, that's how you test compression, by pulling it in. Alright, so I got the main part out. The thing here is riveted on, so in order for me to take that off, I would have to drill the rivets out, and I do not have any sort of like rivet tool. So for now, I'm going to pop off the needle, which is going to be a bit of an interesting task to do, because it's so fiddly. It's gonna kind of wreck the face up a little bit, but it shouldn't be too noticeable. Hopefully, it doesn't want to come out. That's alright. The majority... Ooh, that was my keys. Okay. Oh! I had driving lessons this morning. Right. So, I'm going to do a whole lot of this off camera, just because... Well, actually, never mind. I'm actually going to do this back in the garage. Right. So I got this all dismantled. I'm going to put the brass screws back in here so I don't lose them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind the living bejesus out of this. The inside's alright, nobody will see that. The chrome is going to get a brushing just so that it can clean it up. The plastic's going to stay down here. And the brass parts here are going to get cleaned as well. I figured I'd restore it considering of how nasty the thing is. I was off camera. Alright, I'll be back upstairs. Alright, you're in my spot there. I'm going to have to bring you just a hair higher because I don't have a tripod. You are leaning against my Miller's Falls wood plank. I have the door cracked open a little bit, so sorry about noise and activity in the garage. Alright, noise alert. Alright, you get the idea. Alright, so here it is. The looks a little bit better. It's like it's not like 100% clear in there, but what can you do? I got this all out there. Looks a little bit better. The hose is cleaned up pretty okay. It's not like great, but it's alright. Alright, I'm done here. Later, guys.